greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.
Alright, what's up everybody? It's GabbyGang. We're here right now, chilling. I'm about to go and see what's up with Gabby and her exhaust leak. It's obvious that she got one. You can hear it plain as day. So I'm going to take it to my local exhaust shop and see if they can like weld it closed. I'm hoping it's like under $100, hopefully. So we're gonna go see real quick, check it out, see if we can get her sounding right, because the headers, I got an email stating that the headers will be here today. Oh, Shaggy. Today. They'll be here today. So, you know, this is my little dog right here. Y'all ever come up in here, you know, he'll have to handle y'all. So, you know, we're gonna go check that out real quick so we can get the headers on there probably this weekend. The exhaust leak, she didn't understand what I was getting fixed, but things got in order. So I got an email at like 5 o'clock this morning stating that the headers will be here today. Yes, so that's cool, but I still gotta wait on exhaust manifold gasket, stud bolts, and nuts. I bought them from someone different because I was told that the ones that come with the headers are not very good, and I don't want to do this twice. So I bought some multi-layered gaskets and some studs and nuts. I am doing an in-house install. I'm having someone do it for me in-house because the shops were just way too much, man. Look, dude, I come from bikes, you know what I mean? And parts are expensive, you know what I mean? It's kind of expensive to do stuff, but car parts are just, I mean, but if you love something, you love it. I don't necessarily love cars. I just love motors, and I like to make them faster than what they are stock. So that's my goal on this car: a full bolt-on with maybe a little bit of nitrous, and yeah, man, Gabby's gonna most definitely be something, a force to reckon with. So now that the car's warmed up, let's get over here to the exhaust shop and see what this guy could do for me. He's done a lot of work on Gina, so hopefully he'll remember me. I'm gonna let the window down as I'm going through my neighborhood. I want y'all to kind of get a earful for what Gabby sounds like with this exhaust leak, and hopefully I'll be able to do it afterwards and hear the difference. Y'all can hear it. I can kinda now it's like when I first got the car, I didn't hear it at all. I just thought the exhaust was super loud. And a friend of mine, as soon as I pulled up to his house, he said, "Damn, dude, you got an exhaust leak." So woo, I can't wait to tune this car. I'm going about 30 miles an hour, 2,000 RPMs. I'm about to hit the freeway in a second, and I can kind of give it a little gas. And that's the crazy part about this car, man. I got a chance to drive a G35 and really experienced it for like 8 months, you know, upgrading it and everything. And now I'm gonna do the same thing to the G37, so I really have a good comparison as to like the difference, you know, between the two cars. So I know there's a lot of similarities and there's a lot of differences. And I think that's pretty cool that I got to drive the first model and now the second model, and I can kind of tell the difference. See if we can get a little exhaust note as I go underneath this underpass. That guy with the truck happened to hit his too. He was a little louder than me though. Man, I need to slow down. I forgot I don't have my front bumper on, and my new fender liners are like out front, you know. Wind hitting it, you know, it's gonna grab it and possibly pull it out. So I want to slow down. I slowed all the way down, man. But we're about here though. I'm about to exit. I think everything's good. I'm gonna double check it when I get out, but I think everything's good. Yeah, it sounds like one of them's dragging. So let me pull over and see, because it most definitely sounds like one is dragging. Shit. Well, yep, just as I thought. It chewed it up. I mean, it's not completely damaged where I can't use it again, but it ain't brand new. It did chew like a corner of it out. So, you know, lesson learned again. I just ran that red light. Holy shit. Okay, so this light is green. We're pulling up to Mr. Galvez's shop right now. And hopefully he's not busy. I do see a truck on the lift. So, okay guys. So he's working on the truck right now, and he said he could deal with me in about an hour. So I'm gonna come back. But I just want to show you the damage that's done to the new fender liner right there in that corner. Kind of chewed it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stay off the freeway and take the roads to get back home, and I'll be back in an hour. Or go get some lunch, and I'll be back in an hour so he can weld me up. I'm about to pull her on the ramp right now, and we're gonna get the chance to see this exhaust leak. But man, she needs a bath. Gabby is really dirty right now, and she ugly, but it's cool. She won't be ugly for long. That's only for a little bit.
Ready?
Yep. Well, the horn works. Yeah. That was pretty fucking loud. Ooh, look at Gabby. Look at that booty. She wide in the back too. Wait till I paint that thing with those ARK pipes. Alright, so this is an underview of my car. I do have a rear upgraded sway bar. It happened in the front too. So everything else seems to look good too. So it is the flex pipe.
No.
It's not.
No.
Okay.
Wait. Here we go.
They're telling me that I have an exhaust leak in multiple positions. Multiple positions. I'm having an exhaust leak in multiple areas. Kind of like where the Y pipe is, one of the flex pipes is bad, and then as you go down the exhaust, kind of like the mid pipe where the flange meets together, the gasket kind of gave out. It looks like it dry rotted or something. So you kind of have a little exhaust leak there. So they're about to, I guess, write it up and see what they can quote me for it. I'm guessing it's going to be over $100 now that a gasket is involved and 2 leaks, not just one. So it is what it is. Let's see what these guys say and we'll go from there. They're charging for the flex pipe $50, for the exhaust flange gaskets $28 for both, and then for the labor to remove and do the labor, they're charging $225, which comes out to $303, and then after taxes it comes out to $323. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call my guy that's doing the headers for me, and I'm gonna ask him how much he'll charge me to put the gaskets on. I'll order the gaskets myself. The flex pipe, I have to go to a shop to do it, but it's gonna pretty much be whatever price. It's gonna be the same. You know, you're gonna pay about $50 for the flex pipe and probably another $50 to weld it in. I mean, that just is what it is. I'm trying to spend as less as possible because I still have to do a tune and all of that good stuff. So I got these 3-inch intakes coming in and I can't even use them without it being tuned, without the car being tuned. So I most definitely am trying to penny pinch until I get the car tuned. So, you know, that is what it is. That's the adventure for today. Thank you for hanging out with GabbyGang, man. We about to, you know, go to the house and probably chill. I should do my bumper. I need to finish the damn bumper. I just need to do some more clips on it and it'll be done. I'm tired of riding around with no front bumper. Until then, man, I'll see y'all. Thank you for tuning in to GabbyGang. Man, we gonna continue this series. We're trying to build this car and we're trying to get this car to 400 horsepower. Let's go.